Hello, Temba from tutortouch, and today I'd like to show you how you can annotate on the PDF right here on our pen. So to get started, let's open up our WPS Office program where we can open up PDF document. So we'll open up this document, the EK series, and once you have your PDF open, you can use an option which is on the sidebar menu called the mark feature. Once you have that open, it allows you then, by freezing anything that's on the screen, to annotate over your PDF documents, and you can use a variety of different colors for your pens. And once you're done with that, you have the option of sharing the document and being able to have it on any other device. Another way that you could use to annotate on your PDF document besides the mark feature is on WPS, selecting that program there, which allows you then to annotate. And just like the mark feature, you have your different features here, which is your pens and the colors that you can use, and that also then allows you to annotate over your documents. And that's how you can annotate on your documents, on your PDF documents, using the annotation program on WPS as well as the mark feature on the sidebar menu. This is Temba from tutortouch. Thanks for watching.